Right in my hand is okra. Some people call it okro, a flowering plant known for its edible seed pods. It is cultivated in warm and tropical areas like Africa and South Asia. It can do wonderful things for our bodies. This superfood heals your entire body inside and out. Biologically classified as a fruit, okra is generally utilized like a vegetable in cooking. It is referred to as the lady's finger. Okra comes in two colors. We have the red and the green color. Both varieties taste the same, but the red one turns green when you cook it. Now, I can promise you that you will love okra the more after I'm done sharing with you what it does to your body. And personally, I rate okra among the top three healthiest vegetable fruits in the world. It's really going to do wonderful things for your health and for your future. Now, okra is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, including quercetin, anthocyanin, vitamins, lutein, the polyphenols, tannins, minerals. It has a distinct blend of polysaccharides, fiber, pectin, and mucilage, which is a slimy substance that has unique potential health benefits. Number one, okra is rich in vitamin C and vitamin K. The vitamin C in okra, which is water soluble, helps support healthy immune function. Vitamin K, which is fast soluble, helps your body clot blood. It speeds up healing when you have a cut. For your gastrointestinal health benefits, the mucilage in okra help reduce irritation and inflammation in your gut and will help with conditions such as gastritis and peptic ulcers by blocking the adhesions and effect of H. pylori. That is the bacteria that is known to cause ulcers. Okra also has powerful detoxification properties. It binds to toxic metabolites in your GI tract, preventing them from being reabsorbed so they can be eliminated from your body. Okra is also a rich prebiotic food, and your gut microbiomes feed on them to produce probiotics. And remember, a healthy gut equals a healthy person. Now, when it comes to blood sugar control, okra has shown some promising effects. The fiber in okra stabilizes blood sugar by slowing sugar absorption in the digestive tract, leading to a more stable blood sugar response. It also protects the beta cells of the pancreas, which supplies insulin to take up this blood glucose. You see, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is very important for our overall health, and consistently higher blood sugar can lead to pre-diabetes and type 2 diabetes. But okra takes the stress off the pancreas. It's going to give you a lot of satiety. Therefore, you're not going to crave those sugars and you're not going to overeat. So if you're a pre-diabetic or diabetic, I would definitely always recommend okra as a superfood to control your blood sugar. That being said, okra may interfere with metformin, a common diabetes medication. Therefore, do not eat okra at the same time of taking your metformin. Wait for at least an hour or two before or after. Now, okra can also do wonderful things for your cardiovascular system. You see, high cholesterol levels are linked with a greater risk of heart disease and stroke. The polyphenols in okra decreases your risk of heart problems and also stroke by preventing excess blood clot and by reducing brain inflammation. The mucilage in okra, that thick gel-like substance, can bind to bad cholesterol during digestion. These are the small LDLs and triglycerides. These are the free fatty acids known to clog the arteries. Okra therefore prevent them from clogging your arteries, and they bind to bile, causing to be excreted with your stool rather than being absorbed in your body. Okra also raise your good cholesterol. These are the high density lipoproteins. Now, okra has shown some anti-cancer effect promises. It contains a type of protein called lectin, which may inhibit the growth of human cancer cells. Studies using concentrated compounds from okra showed they inhibited the growth of breast cancer cells by up to 63%. Nevertheless, further research is needed for definitive proof of okra's cancer blocking properties. For pregnant women, eating okra is so beneficial because it is a good source of folate, with 1 cup, which equals 100 grams, providing 50% of a woman's daily need for this nutrient. You see, folate, also known as vitamin B9, is an important nutrient for pregnant women. It helps lower the risk of a neural tube defect, which affects the brain and the spine of a developing fetus. And lastly, okra is also an energy booster. So if you're always feeling tired, the polyphenols and flavonoids in okra are found to reduce the levels of lactic acid and blood urea nitrogen after exhaustive physical activity. It helps increase the secretion of antioxidant and levels up superoxide dismutase and glutathione peroxidase to give you that energy boost. It will give you energy, therefore you're going to sleep better and you're going to think better as well. Now, okra can be roasted, can be sauteed with some natural spices, taken raw with some olive and salt pepper. It can be baked, grilled as well, but do not overheat or cook it at high temperature. So start adding okra to your diet and your body is going to thank you. This superfood right here heal your entire body inside and out. Thanks for watching your health, your life. I will see you in the next video. God bless you.